Welcome, it's the RC Renegade here, and today we are installing engine mount screws for the Kyosho Inferno MP9. Today I received the motor mount screws for the Kyosho Inferno MP9 project, so let's get those installed right now. As I had mentioned on previous videos, these are the 4 engine mount screws here, and this engine mount screw is missing, and these 3 are fairly stripped. And so just due to all that, I have decided to replace them as part of the restoration of this vehicle. As you can see, we have our 4 brand new engine mount screws installed. We'll wipe the red thread locker off. As of right now, all of the missing hardware on the bottom of this vehicle is installed and replaced, and everything is secured with red thread locker 27000 series. And as mentioned before, this will keep the screws from vibrating loose and shaking loose in the future when you drive it. It still is possible, but it helps diminish the chances of that happening. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for more videos.